first grade friends. In this video, we are going to review our letter sounds of our letters that we have learned so far together. Our first letter is the letter S. S makes the S sound. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. Letter A says ah, 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 ants on my arm, ah, ah, ants on my arm, ah, ah, ants on my arm, they're causing me alarm. The letter T says t, t. When I watch the tennis game, t, 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 t. When I watch the tennis game, my head goes back and forth. The letter I says eh, eh. Inky the mouse is my pet. She spilled the ink and got wet. The ink gets spread all over the desk. Inky's wet. Letter P says puff out the candles on the pink pig cake. Puff, 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 puff. Puff out the candles on the pink cake. Puff, puff, puff. And letter N says mmm. See the airplane? Mmm. See the airplane? Mmm. See the airplane? Mmm. It's making lots of noise. Using the letter sounds that we have learned, we can begin to sound out new words. We know that the letter A says ah, and that the letter S says s. If we put them together, ah, s, we have the word as. Ah, as. Our next word is at, at, sat. Our first letter is the letter I. The letter I says I, I, and T says t, t. If I put them together, it, it. IT spells it. If I add an S to the beginning, I have it, sit. If I add a P to the beginning, I have it, pit. Now I'm going to change out that middle vowel. Instead of an I, I'm going to change it to an A. Ah, ah, p, ah, t, p, ah, t, pat. This time, we are going to sound out T, A, P, and S. T says t, t. A says ah, ah. P says p, p. And S says s, s. Let's put them all together. T, ah, s, t, ah, p, s. Taps. For this one, the letter S says s, s. I says I, and P says p, p. If I put them all together, I have s, I, p, sit. My next word has N, N, A, A, and P. N, A, nap. This one is a name. This time I have N, A, T, gnat. My next letters are P, A, N, P, A, N, pan. Next, we have T, I, N, T, I, N, tin. We change out that I for an A. T, A, N, tan. We know what these are. We have A, N, T, S, A, N, T, S, ants. Let's try this last one together. It's long, but I know we can do it. Our first letter is P. P, P. Next, we have A. A, A. N, N, N. T, T, T. And S. S, S. If I sound them all out together, I have P, A, N, T, S, P, and T, S, pants. Awesome job, my first grade friends. I am so proud of you and all of your hard work. I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.